when they're taking those products out of the container, if they are perishable or require refrigeration goods, is there the proper storage at those CESs?
Usually if you are moving things in, let's say it's a 20-foot or a 40-foot reefer, the CES that they send it to should be equipped with the equipment to make sure that that stays at whatever temperature. They might have more of a general cooler rather than one that they can set at the specific temperature for, something that's USDA might have to be between 5 and 12 degrees Celsius. They may not have the facilities to do something that specific, but usually the CES that they send it to will be equipped enough to at least keep it in a cooler environment than ambient temperature.